it's Krista here to teach you a little bit about Elluminate, how to access our online classroom. Elluminate is our online classroom, and how to navigate and how to, I guess, behave in the classroom as well. So there's two different ways to get our classroom schedule, or well, it's our math support schedule. First off, in the Getting Help folder, we have math support. Double click on that and it shows that we offer 3 ways to request help. You can attend an online math support. Check your calendar. That's a link to a Google Doc. Also, here's a direct links to my classroom and Todd's classroom. We have different classrooms this year. Last year it was just an Edge math class. This time Todd and I have separate ones, so make sure you're going to the right one. And don't forget, we have free in-person drop-in tutoring. We have a lot more locations and more times now for that. That's offered through Vision, so please check the flyer. And then again, we have that Google form. You can send a help me please form and we will get back to you as soon as we can. It may be a little while. So that's one way to get to the math support. Also on your on your assignment, every assignment shows the online math support. This link will actually just ends up bringing you back to this this part of the folder. So here's my Edge online math support schedule. We have scheduled times, and here are the links again off to the right. This is a Google Doc that will be updated. So we can go through here. It's just fine. That's another way. So there's plenty of ways to get on. So you'll see this, it'll come up Blackboard. Your session login, please only first name, last initial. Please do not do nicknames, do not do your username, your VIE username like AB1234, because I can't identify you that way as well. And also you don't need to put your first and last name. Protocol is first name, last initial only. Once you log in, you'll see an arrow came down. That means in this area here, it means it's downloading a file. Usually you might have to click accept or even double click it to open the download. Also, you'll see here this kind of light bulb icon, that's for Elluminate. Before I did my systems update, it was a lot slower, so I would click, come on, and all of a sudden I have 25 of these little light bulbs. So just wait patiently if it doesn't pop up right away. So click allow. You don't have to allow all applications, but I use it a lot, so I will. And you'll see it's launching. It takes a little bit of time, sometimes more than others. So just wait patiently for a minute. Now, sometimes it prompts you to choose whether you're using like wireless or what kind of internet speed, maybe cable. It didn't ask me this time, but just if you're doing wireless or if you're doing cable or dial-up, you would click the right box. So first thing you notice, I'm in blue here. When you're looking, you can see your name in blue and everybody else, all the other participants, will be in black. So this is your participant box. Here, if you needed to raise your hand, right now it's green. That means I want to raise my hand. I'm the first one out of one. So I'm next in line, and when I'm done, I can lower my hand. Also, I might say, give me a happy face if you can hear me. Give me a happy face if you agree. That's the happy face. Yay. If I disagree or I'm confused, or I would do my little confused face. If I'm really excited or I thought that was fantastic, I would clap, oh, thank you very much. Or if I disagreed, maybe a thumbs down. I may ask you questions like, check yet, click on the green yes, or the green check if yes you agree, or whatever. So those are some different things. The X would be no. We have this icon, means step away from the session. So if you're going to leave to use the restroom or do something, click on that, because then I know, and if I'm calling on you, if we have a group going on, I'm not going, yes, Krista, can you please answer me? Krista, Krista, you know, why are you ignoring me? I'll know you're away. You don't have to tell me why. There's a chat feature. And you'll see there are choices, public, private. If you want to make it private to just the moderator, you would do that. Or you could select who you want to send it to. You want to just send it to Krista, that's great. If you want to send it to the whole class, it would be all. To the room, also just to the moderator. If I just have a secret message to my teacher, say, I don't want the whole class to know, I really don't understand this lesson. It goes straight to the moderator, although in this case there is no moderator. But if there was, I would send it directly to the moderator because maybe I don't want the whole class to know. And then the moderator goes, okay, I might send a message back to say, okay, let's meet, or why don't you hang out a little longer. So those are some different options. So be careful who you're sending messages to. Some things up here might be, also, if you're given the microphone, you actually see how it's down. It means you cannot talk on it. If you go up, then you can talk, and you'll see here the green bar go across. That means I'm actually talking. If I had that down and I was talking and there's no green bar, that's a giveaway that nobody else in the room can hear me. You have a pen. You can write. You can choose the colors down below. It takes some practice. It's easier with a mouse. Right now I'm doing it with just a finger pad here and a mouse pad, and it's not working very well. This is a highlighter. Again, there's colors on the bottom. You can do stuff such as type directly on the screen. If you want to type a lot, you would make a text box. Oh, that didn't work out so well. So if I was writing a lot more than just 1 or 2 words, I would do a text box and write in that. So I could write a whole message. Blah, blah, blah. But if I wanted to write a lot, I would do that there. You can see my text box. If I wanted to circle an answer or make a circle, as an example, I click on the outline of a circle. If I want to make an actual circle filled in, you just click on this icon and then left click and drag to make what you want, oval, whatever. You can make a box, or you can make a filled in box. Those are some of the important ones. Here's also, I might say, grab your wand and you can pick the right answer maybe. Put a smiley face on the right answer. The right answer is high. You can choose the icon down here. Make a star if you agree. That kind of stuff. That's the basics right now, the things that will get you through the first couple of sessions. If you have any questions, let me know. Or even your other teacher or Todd. Okay, thank you.